Hey everyone, in this video, I'm gonna show you how to link your EA account to YouTube so you can actually share game content and earn rewards. So first, simply open up your EA account on a browser and log in. Then simply go to account settings, then connections. From there, you can then select other accounts. Next, you then have to find YouTube in the list and click connect. So you will then be prompted to sign in with your YouTube account and allow EA access to it. So once connected, your EA account will then be linked to YouTube, and you'll then be able to share gameplay clips, live streams, and participate in any EA YouTube rewards programs. And that's it. So that's how to connect your EA account to YouTube. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, then make sure to leave a like, and of course subscribe, then we'll see you on the next one.